What's going on, everybody? Going to open up a box of 2022 Topps Series 1. I just picked this up the other day. Saw a bunch of people open it. Cards look really cool this year. Inserts look pretty cool. Obviously everybody's looking for the Wanderers. But figured to grab a box. Let's open it up, see what we get. Okay, here we go. What do we got? We have a hobby exclusive baseball 2022 Series 1 4 trading cards. We'll put that to the side. Looks like it's something special. Let's just take these out. Alright, looks like we get 24 packs, 14 cards per pack. Let's stack them. And let's start opening. Pack number 1. Here we go. I believe with the hobbies, you're guaranteed either an auto or a relic. Obviously, we would prefer a auto, but let's see what we got here. All right, Mason Thompson. These are new base cards. They actually look. They look good. Not what I expected. I saw pictures. I think when they originally released the design, I didn't think this is what they're going to look like. People are saying look kind of like Bowman, and I would have to agree with that. They do have that kind of Bowman look to it, but very clean, very basic. Got the team logo in the bottom left corner, got the name on the bottom, Topps logo in the right. Yeah, I guess it's, you know, they look alright. So let's start off. We got Mason Thompson, Merrill Kelly, Edwin Diaz, Hoy Park, Xander Bogaerts, Luke Williams, Austin Hedges, Yadi Molina, Jake Rogers. Insert, we have Welcome to the Show, Byron Buxton from the Twins. And I guess these are our team cards. Slam Diego returns. Then we have Anthony Bender, Garrett, Crochet, we're going to say. And Stephen Brault. Alright, here we go. I wonder what that is. So I'm not really familiar with what you get as far as inserts or anything like that. So we'll see what happens here. All right, JT Realmuto, Zach Thompson, Wilson Contreras. And we have Kyle Gibson, Robbie Grossman, Nick Solak, Will Smith. And there's our hit right there, right off the bat. Christian Yelich, Major League Material, game used memorabilia. It's not numbered. Okay, well, there's our hit already. Pack number 2. That was quick. Put that right over here. Trey Ambergi, Max Fried, Tim Anderson, Alex Reyes. Oh wow, that was fast. I was expecting getting that hit that quickly, but it's pretty cool. We'll take it. All right, Jose Iglesias, Marcus Stroman, Lars Nootbaar, Aaron Judge, Max Kepler, Jose Ramirez, Mitch Haniger, Raymond Tapia, Ji-Man Choi. And then our 87 inserts. You have Ricky Henderson. Pretty nice looking cards. Look exactly like the 87 series. Honestly, the set I hate the worst. Not hate, but dislike the most. Which is overproduced. There's so many 87 cards out there. I don't like 87, but these inserts, they actually look pretty cool. So Ricky Henderson, and then we have Drew Ellis, City of Walk-Off Love, Bryce Harper, and looks like can't tell who that is behind him. Maybe Rhys Hoskins, but I can't. It doesn't say, but yeah, at least it's Bryce in the front. Then we have the RBI leaders, Duvall, Riley, Albies for the Braves. And then we have the strikeout leaders, Zach Wheeler, Scherzer, and Burns. Let's put that right there. These are packs. I know there's what do you say, 14 cards per pack. This seems like they're just a lot thicker than they used to be. Alright, so we got Cal Raleigh, Luis Robert, Mike Yastrzemski, and for those you don't know, the quality control over tops is great. Yastrzemski MKSI instead of MSKI. So, you got that card. Hanser Alberto, Victor Reyes, Joey Gallo, Brady Singer, Juan Soto, Albert Pujols. Then we got Toronto Blue Jays team card. We have Trevor Story, Josh Reddick, Brett Gardner, and Tyler Glasnow. Oops, I'm not going to pull that. Let's do it this way. Okay. Alright. Chris Flexen, Alex Bregman, Vladdy Jr., Garrett Hampson, Mike Zunino, Gerardo Parra, Jorge Alfaro, Shane McClanahan, Future Stars, John Gray. Then we have a Generation Now, looks foil card, Josh Chisholm Jr. Okay, so there's your insert. That rainbow foil look to it. Pretty nice looking. Then we have Tyler McGill, walk-off water for the Yankees. Runs batted in leaders, Perez, Abreu, Hernandez. And strikeout leaders, Ray, Cole, and Cease. Next up, Ryan Weathers, Emmanuel Clace, Kyle Lewis, Kyle Freeland, Joey Wendell. And we have Alcides Escobar, Trevor Rogers, Alex Kirilloff, Keston Hiura. And our 87 insert, George Brett. Then we have Isaiah, Kiner Falefa, Jonah Heim, Andrelton Simmons, John Gant. Alright, next up. Martin Maldonado, Hyun Jin Ryu, Nicky Lopez, Ryan Zimmerman, Corbin Burns, Kyle Muller. And we have Chris Bryant, Hai Seong Kim, Bruce Zimmerman, Adam Duvall, Zach Greinke, Ivan Castillo, Ahmed Rosario, and Max Scherzer. That's a cool looking uniform right there. The whole Dodger blue. It's pretty sweet. Okay, next up, here we go. So, if you want, comment. Let me know what you guys think of this year's set. What do you feel about this design? Card number 1, Wander Franco. Card everybody's looking for. Now there's like a gazillion of them out there, and everybody has one. So there's my Wander Franco base. Let's look at the back there. All right. There's Kristen Yelich, Jackson Kowar. We got Zach Eflin, Zach Pop, Drew Smiley, Sean Manaea, Louis Gill. These cards I do like. I've seen a couple of these inserts. I really like these cards. These are nice. This one here obviously is Clayton Kershaw. I think I've seen Mike Schmidt and a couple of names I can't remember, but yeah, these cards are pretty sweet. Matt Barnes, Alex Wells, Corey Kluber, Eli Morgan, and Josh Naylor. Alright. Cesar Hernandez, Adam Wainwright, Joey Votto, Justin Dunn, Michael Brantley, Andrew Miller, Anthony Rizzo, Fernando Tatis Jr., Christian Vasquez, And then we have Ben, Gamal, Aroldis Chapman, Kristen Pache, Curtis Terry, and home run leaders Tatis Jr., Duvall, and Alonso. Oops. All right, Shane Bieber, Kyle Seager, Aaron Mercedes, Johnny Cueto, Luke Weaver, Garrett Cole, Brock Holt, Salvador Perez, Kyle Schwarber. All right, then we got numbered 2022. Mike Minor. I guess we're going to assume this is gold. That's looking card. A little different. Not bad though. And again, it's number 2, 676 to 2022. Put him here. And we got Taijuan Walker, Matt Manning, Eddie Rosario, and Anthony DeSclafani. Okay. Danny Jansen, Mookie Betts, Bobby Dahlbeck, Future Stars, Bryce Harper. That's nice. I like that one. Patrick Mazeika, Pedro Severino. Let's flip it around. Chad Pinder, Jake Cousins, 87 insert, Dontrell Willis. Then we have ERA leaders, Burns, Scherzer, and Bueller. American League, New York Yankees, Didi Gregorius. Then we have Logan Gilbert, Future Stars. And moving on, Chris Taylor walks off the NL wildcard game. So what I'm going to do is flip this over here, pull these forward, and just flip-flop it. So the stack of cards doesn't cover the packs of cards. Okay, here we go. Okay, Omar Narvaez, Jake Berger, Raisel Iglesias, Taylor Rogers, Christian Walker, Michael Conforto, Max Kranick, Clayton Kershaw, Jose Barrios. And we have how far Tatis and Vlad react to T-Mobile Home Run Derby. Rainbow foil, not numbered. This is a nice looking card though. I always like watching home run derbies. It's actually really my favorite thing to watch during out of all the All-Star games and things like that. Between NBA, baseball, hockey, all that. Home run derby is my favorite. Colorado Rockies team card, Arizona Diamondbacks team card, Tony Kemp, and Jared Kelenic, Future Stars. Okay, here we go. Julio Urias, Jose Abreu, Kyle Hendricks, Yu Darvish, Martin Perez, Matt Olson, Zach Short, Andrew Haney, Miguel Sano, Matt Vierling, over here. And then we have Zach Lowther from the Orioles, Minnesota Meetup, Watani and Maeda catch up during pregame. Wins leaders Cole, Flexen, Mats, and then the Angels team card, Trout and Otani. All right. Lucas Giolito, Buster Posey, Craig Kimbrell, Colin Moran, Huascar Yanoa, Justin Turner, Dom Nunez, Star Marte, Jazz Chisholm Jr. 87 is Cal Raleigh, rookie. We got Kyle Tucker, Kwang Hyung Kim, Miguel Cabrera, and Aaron Ashby. Alright, Framber Valdez, Ronald Acuna Jr. We good to have him back this year. Avisel Garcia, Riley Adams, Austin Riley, Mike Brousseau, Jose Altuve, Steven Matz, Jorge Soler, and we have insert. Welcome to the show, Bo Bichette. ERA leaders, Ray, McCullers Jr., and Cole. Home run leaders, Guerrero Jr., Perez, and Ohtani. Keegan Aiken. And batting average leaders, Turner, Soto, Harper. That's a nice looking card. Next up, Kyle Higashioka, Ronnie Dawson, JD Martinez, Gene Segura, Jan Gomes, Corey Seager, Ian Happ, Brian Anderson, Alec Mendoza, Future Stars, Houston Dugout Routine, Liftoff, St. Louis Cardinals, Harrison Bader, Jesus Luzardo, Ryan McMahon, and Xander and Vasquez get ready to douse. Double bath. Okay, we are almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs to go. What are you guys thinking about these cards so far? The inserts, the cards themselves? Let me know. Matt Chapman, Andre Jackson, Ketel Marte, James McCann, Sonny Gray, Tommy La Stella, Yasmani Grandal, Brandon Crawford, Eduardo Rodriguez. Jeez, I was flipping around here. Ian Kennedy, Willie Castro, Freddie Peralta, Kurt Suzuki, and last but not least, Brian De La Cruz. I'm definitely going to check that stack. There's too much flip-flopping back and forth in the cards. I wonder if one of them may be a short print. I think the short prints are usually put them backwards, but we'll check it anyway. Alright, next up, Jake Myers, Patrick Wisdom, Eric Hosmer, Mike Moustakas, Marco Gonzalez, Travis Shaw, Tony Santillan, Wade Miley, Mauricio Dubon, and 87 Polar Bear Pete. Pretty nice looking card. Put him in here. Wins leaders: Urias, Wainwright, Bueller, Miami Marlins, Jacob deGrom, Mike Foltynewicz. Phew, I know I butchered that one, but that's the best I can do. Okay. Next up, we have Clint Frazier, Jackson Reitz, Travis Darnold, Rougned Odor, Josiah Gray, rookie. He may be good. Watched him pitch last year. He's a young guy, but I think he may have a bright future in this league. Stuart Fairchild, Eduardo Escobar, Kevin Pillar, Manuel Rivera, Ernie Clement, Christian Javier, Carson Kelly, St. Louis Cardinals team card, Houston Astros team card. Working on some vintage sets right now, particularly the 76 and 78 top sets, and a lot of the team cards I had were either really beat up or had the checklist marked up on them. So I've been replacing them slowly, and seeing these team cards again is kind of taking me back in the day when he had them. Gavin Sheets, Mike Trout. Be nice to have him back this year and healthy, hopefully for a full year. Because him, Ohtani, and Rendon, all healthy, playing the same lineup, that could be scary. Josh Donaldson, Connor Wong, Freddie Freeman, Archie Bradley, NL East Division Smiles, shortstop, Mean, Super Smile. That's pretty cool. Charlie Morton, Gio Urshela. Okay, what is this insert? 2021's Greatest Hits, Kyle Schwarber. Same thing, Rainbow Foil. Very nice looking card. Put that here. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Brandon Marsh, Brian Hayes, and Jacob Stallings. 4 packs to go. Okay, here we go. Jake Arrieta, Adam Frazier, Liam Hendricks, Jared Walsh, Nelson Cruz, Sammy Long, Jason Hayward, Joe Musgrove, 87, Salvador Perez. Put him here. San Diego Padres team card. Tampa Bay Rays team card. Chicago White Sox team card. And we got Oakland A's team card. Okay, how about this one up? Daniel Bard. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 more team cards there. Alright. We got Tommy Pham, Jesse Winker, Ty France, Matthew Boyd, Austin Meadows, Eugenio Suarez, Tom Murphy, Brendan Rodgers, Chris Archer, Gregory Soto. Okay, what we got here? Looks like Rainbow Foil, Jake Arrieta, not numbered. Okay. Nate Pearson. Here's our home run card again with Tatis Jr. and Vladdy Jr. And Cincinnati Reds team card. 2 more packs to go, and we have our, I'm assuming it's a silver pack. Open that up next to see what's in there. Alright. Spencer Turnbull, Randy Arozarena, Mike Minor, John Lester, Devin Williams, Carlos Rodon, Jorge Mateo, Hunter Renfroe, Spencer Howard. Then we have Pick the Game, Call Your Shot to Win, Nolan Arenado, Home Run Challenge card. That. Then we got Reed Detmers. And we have batting average leaders, Gurriel, Brantley, Guerrero Jr., Atlanta Braves team card, and Washington Nationals team card. Nice up. Alright, we have Vidal Brujan, or Vidal Brujan, David Price, Andrew Vaughn, Future Stars, Tyler Gilbert, Cedric Mullins, Zach Wheeler, Rodolfo Castro, Trey Mancini, and we have what's that? Flashiest Feet, Aaron Judge. That's a new one. This card here, or at least the type of card here, kind of reminds me of the opening day insert card. Like it's something along the lines of that set. Never seen anything like this for I think there's Series 1, 2, or update sets, but they were just changing things up this year. So now we got the Flashiest Feet insert set and Aaron Judge. Elieser Hernandez, Enrique Hernandez, Pavin Smith, Whit Merrifield, and Bo Bichette. Alright, now, next up, have our silver pack. I'm assuming. Yep, there we go. Alright, no color. So we got Alex Bregman, Byron Buxton, your Brian Hayes, and Vladdy Jr. Another home run challenge card here. So, finish it off with those 3 cards. Make sure we got nothing numbered. Yeah, there we go. Alright, what you guys think? Like it? Don't like it? Kind of like it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you later.